A diet low in saturated fat has many health benefits. Limiting this type of fat can help some individuals lose weight, but not everyone experiences this benefit. An underlying genetic factor that contributes to these differences is a single nucleotide polymorphism in the promoter region of the ApoA2 gene, which encodes apolipoprotein 2. People with the CC variant have a higher body mass index than those with the more common T allele, but only when saturated fat intake exceeds 21 grams per day. This gene-diet interaction was consistently documented across 3 independent populations. The CC variant, which occurred in 10.5 to 16.2% of study participants, was responsible for a 6.2% mean increase in BMI when saturated fat intake exceeded 21 grams per day. It's important to note that while researchers refer to the responsive variant as CC in the medical literature, it appears as GG in pure genomics and other genetic tests that analyze the opposite DNA strand. Individuals with this variant who are trying to manage their weight should prioritize saturated fat reduction and be mindful of hidden sources like coconut oil and processed foods. Aim for a maximum daily intake of 21 grams per day. This simple and personalized guidance is an easy way to enhance patient compliance and improve the success of a weight management program.